to People and Nature Rwenzori Mountain Organization in Western Uganda. My name is Edith Muhindo. I'm a co-founder.
I'm called Mumbere Jackson, and I'm the Programs Director for People and Nature Rwenzori Mountains and NGO. It operates under 5 thematic areas. Thematic area number 1 is environment and natural resource management, sustainable agriculture, is skills and education development, healthy, and thematic area number 5 is peace and human rights. We operate with 40 groups, and each group has 30 members. Nature is managed by the board of directors, has the working staff of 13.
Nature Rwenzori Mountain Organization works with communities staying on the hills and the slopes of Mount Rwenzori. These communities have very limited livelihood options, and the hills are very much degraded. There's a lot of soil erosion taking place. All the trees have been cut, and there's no any evidence of trees planted. People and Nature Rwenzori Mountain Organization aims to restore degraded areas, especially land resources. Most of the trees, all of them, have been cut by people in search for charcoal and firewood. We work towards restoring this kind of environment to get back at its original state through planting trees. This is grown maize for 6 months, but because of the land degradation and poor soil fertility, the food crops cannot yield much. So the alternative is for people to cut down trees to get income and sell as firewood or charcoal. This is one of the project nurseries for People and Nature Rwenzori Mountains, and the nursery operator is here. So in this nursery, we produce different types of seedlings, both for sale and for planting on our project sites. At the moment, we have Macadamia, Lutea, there is a neem, the other side. We also have Grevillea robusta, and we have Albizia coriaria. So they are raised here by the nursery operator, and through a process from seeding, from transplanting the saplings, to having been transplanted to a planting site. Compared with the outside nurseries, the quality out there is not good. The mixing of the soil for potting is actually also not good. So this is one of the sites, and this plant is 27 hectares. It is being restored by People and Nature that would like to save from deforestation. They are at risk because anytime they can be cut down for firewood and charcoal if the women are not supported with alternative livelihood source of income. With the help of these trees which we have planted, we've already started seeing change that triple the climate solution. So we have around 5 species of trees that are being planted on this site. We've so far planted over 70,000 tree seedlings. So we are going to have a total of over 100,000 seedlings on this planting site. But this is an example of what we've been able to do. So as People and Nature, in the future, would like to get a solution of integrating beekeeping in these established forests and trees. So that instead of people cutting down the trees, they depend and rely on honey and bee products for their survival as an alternative livelihood source of income. One of the alternative livelihood options promoted by People and Nature Rwenzori Mountains is beekeeping. This enterprise is a very good alternative, especially for women, and we are seeing results that are very good. This is the model that we would like to promote. When women lack money, they can farm bees, they get income instead of cutting the trees down for firewood and charcoal. But we would like to expand on this in all the other tree planting sites. It's a very good nature-based enterprise.